Let me say that we are going to be drawing a series of connected geometric shapes. Please do not begin drawing a shape until you have heard all the instructions regarding the size and its position relative to the other shapes and the paper itself. Let me say also that all 4 squares are the same size, all 2 rectangles are the same size, and all 3 triangles are the same size. Let's begin. Find the center of the top of the paper and move down 2 inches. Draw an equilateral triangle 1 inch tall with the bottom right corner at this center point. Next, touching the bottom right-hand corner of that triangle will be the point of a new triangle, which will also be a 1 inch equilateral triangle. The point of the triangle will be pointing towards the top of the page. Next, draw a 1 inch by 1 inch square. The upper left-hand corner of the square will begin on the bottom center of the second triangle. Now, draw another 1 inch by 1 inch square with the upper right-hand corner starting at the bottom left-hand corner of the previous square. The sides of the square will run parallel to the sides of the paper. Next, draw a rectangle 2 inches wide by 1 inch tall. The square above it will be on the middle of the top line of this rectangle. The rectangle will equally protrude on each side of the square. Now, on the base of the rectangle, draw another 1 inch equilateral triangle with the point facing downward. The base of the triangle will be centered on the rectangle. Using the point of the triangle facing the bottom of the page as the upper left-hand corner, draw a new 1 inch by 1 inch square. Now, the bottom right-hand corner of your square will be the top left-hand corner of a new 2 inch wide by 1 inch tall rectangle. There will be no shapes directly above touching the rectangle. Lastly, draw a 1 inch by 1 inch square by extending the left side of the rectangle you just drew and using it as the left side of the new square. This concludes our communication exercise. Thank you for your participation.